Today topic 6th class, textbook page number 5. Do the sum. Topic is expansion and expanded form. The table given, the table we can observe. First sum already given the sum answer. The same way you can write in the remaining numbers. First one, expansion form and expanded form. See, do this sum. Expand number. What is the number here? 21,504. That is expansion form. How to write? The plus one, any number you can. 6th class students, please observe. Any number you can give in this topic. First you write the place values. Okay. So place value of 4, what is that? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay. That's way 2 into 10,000. Next, 1 is which place? Thousands place. So that's why what given? 1 into 1000. Next, 5 is the which place? Hundreds place. So 5 into 100. Next one, 0 is which place? Tens place. That's why 0 into 10. Plus last one, what is that? 4 is the ones place. That's why 4 into 1. That is, anyone here given the 0, that 0 cannot write in the expanded form. So that's why what is that? 2 into 10,000, 20,000, 1 into 1,000, 1,000, 5 into 100, 500, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 4. This is the expansion form and expanded form. In this expansion expanded form, next question, what is that? 38,400. How to write this one? See, this is I am preparing the table here. The same table model you can observe and write this sum. Okay, ma. See, everyone neatly you can observe. First one, what is this? 21,500 already. This is the your same sum I am writing here. Second one, 38,400. So place value ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000 and 10,000. 3 into 10,000. 8 into 1,000. 4 into 100. 0 into tens place. 0 into ones place. Here 2 zeros is there. Don't confuse. First 0 is the ones place. Second 0 is the tens place. Okay. So remaining what is that? Without zeros you can write here 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 only. Remaining last 2 is multiplying the 10, multiplying to 1 is both are 0. Cannot write here. Okay. Next one, third question. $77,888. So place value again we can explain the place value. First 8 is ones place, second 8 is tens place, third 8 is the hundreds place. First 7 is the 10,000s place, second 7 is the 10,000s place. So first 7 into 10,000, second 7 into 1,000. First 8 is the 100, second 8 is the tens, third 8 is multiplied in the 1. So here not given to any 0. You can write all the numbers here. So all places are available. First 8 is what? Ones place. Second one tens place. Third one hundreds place. The first 7 is the thousands place. Second 7 is the 10,000s place. Next one, 20,050. 20,050. This oral is must and should important. 20,050. Don't read another way. 20,050. So write here. First one, ones place, zeros, tens place, 5 is there. Hundreds place, 0 is there. Thousands place also 0 is there. 10,000s place you have the 2 is there. So that's way 2 into 10,000, 0 into 1,000, second 0 into 100, 5 into 10, last 0 into 1. Okay, understand? That's way here without zeros what to have here? 2 numbers is there. First one is the 2 into 10,000, 20,000, 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So that numbers only write in your expanded form. Now last one I'm explaining. Here how to read this one. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 501. 41,501. How to read? 41,501. So 4 into 10,000, 1 into 1,000, 5 into 100, 0 into 10, 1 into 1. So tens place only you have the 0. Remaining all place you can write in the expanded form. So first one, 4 into 10,000, 40,000, 1 into 1,000, 1,000, 5 into 100, 500. So 0 not calculate. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Understand, children? This is the expansion form and the expanded form. This is the do this sum you have in your textbook, page number 5. Thank you. Meet to next video. This is next to do this and try this sum. Meet to next video. Please subscribe and share my video, and any doubts comment section comment. Thank you very much.